nobody got time to be spending $20 on natural hair products that don't work. Now I'm sitting here looking crazy because I believe the hype. I see you rose in bloom. Hey Roses, it's Naturally Michaela. Today I am going to be trying something new. I am going to be trying, there it is, the Strengthen and Restore Smoothie from Shea Moisture. Now I have already prepped my hair. I'm in the process. I have washed with their apple cider vinegar shampoo, and I am currently deep conditioning with their Strengthen and Restore mask. So I am going to rinse this off, and then I am going to start my wash and go with their Restore Smoothie. If you are wondering how I got to this step, click on the card above and that will show you how I wash and deep condition my hair. So let's get started. So this is the side that has the Shea Moisture Smoothie, and I'm not feeling this. This is definitely a pass. Like, it's soft, like as far as conditioning. Like if you wanted to use this for a leave-in conditioner, I would get it, but you didn't buy a leave-in conditioner. You bought a curl smoothie, so you want a curl definer, and I just don't feel like my curls are defined. Like this portion is kind of frizzy. There's not shine. And I'm not sure why it's not like shiny. You know, like it's not really shiny. It's soft. I wouldn't. And then it's so expensive. Like, I don't know why Shea Moisture is so shot out with their prices. I love, love, love the shampoo and deep conditioner, but I would not buy their smoothie. Like, I'm not even gonna waste it by applying it to the other side. So once again, I am back with Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. I'm going to show you guys the Aunt Jackie difference because, like, her products, first of all, her products are cheap. They're all like around $6. You can find them at Walmart, Target, CVS, Walgreens. You can find them everywhere. They smell good. Like, they smell amazing. Like, look at that. Look at the difference. You can already see it. You can already see the difference. And, like, I'm trying my best not to just have every single video on my channel be Aunt Jackie's. But it's just hard not to because it just comes through for me every time. Like, every time. Look at that. Look at that. $6. $6. Hair smells good. Curls are defined. I'm going to put some on this section and just kind of rake it through. I'm not even using my Denman brush anymore. Like, look at that. I don't even have to use my Denman brush. Look at those curls. $6. Like, Aunt Jackie's never fails me. Ever. They never fail me. Like, I love Aunt Jackie's. It's affordable. My curls, like, look at my curls. I can't wait till I finish the side so you guys can just see the difference of curls, the length, the shine, the volume. I'm gonna show you. Just wait. Wait and see. Cause ain't nobody got time for that. Nobody got time to be spending $20 on natural hair products that don't work. Now I'm sitting here looking crazy because I believe the hype, the Shea Moisture hype, and I done wasted my money on a product that doesn't work. And my hair looks like a hot mess. So now I have to go over it and fix it. And it's like I just wasted my money. $6. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. No diamond brush. Look at that. Okay, so this is the finished look. This is the Aunt Jackie side, the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. And this is the Shea Moisture side. Like, obviously, look how elongated my curls are for Aunt Jackie's. So that's the point there. And then look at the shine from Aunt Jackie's. And then look at the price for Aunt Jackie's. Like, y'all are sleeping on Aunt Jackie's. Like, the price is popping. The curls are popping. The shine, the body, the definition. So you can go and spend all your money looking crazy just so you can say, oh, I only use Shea Moisture, and that's great. Or you can get woke and start using Aunt Jackie's. Using it. Look at the difference. I can't wait. This is not even dry yet. Like, I'm gonna wait until this dries and show you guys, but I just love how juicy. So the lesson that we learned today is just because something is expensive and there's so much hype around it and everyone's talking about it, doesn't mean that it works. This is Aunt Jackie's. I absolutely love it. There's so much body. There's so much shine. My curls are defined. Now, I'm not completely throwing Shea Moisture all the way under the bus because, again, I do love and live by their apple cider vinegar shampoo and the corresponding deep conditioning mask. Are they a little expensive? Yes, but that's something that I feel like it's worth it. Like, that's worth the money. The smoothie is not worth the money. You know, like, I'm not completely bashing the smoothie. Me personally, I like elongated and defined and shiny curls. And I'm not trying to pay an arm and a leg and a hip to get those curls, you know, to get all those things that I want. So I'm not bashing it. I'm just saying I don't feel like it's worth paying all that money for something and you're not completely satisfied. If you're paying a lot of money for a natural hair product, you should only have to use that product. You shouldn't have to be paying $12, $15, and $20 for a product and then you still got to add all this additional stuff with that product to get the look that you want. Like, no, it should be one and done for that much. This was $6 and I didn't have to add anything. Now I'm going to have to go over this so this side of my hair won't be dry and it can be long. So stick with me. I'm going to do the other side. All right. Aunt Jackie is coming to save the day once again. This happened to me when I tried the Miss Jessie's too. It just like, Aunt Jackie's continues to save the day. I love it. Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. I want to try some other products. Like, look at that. Instant. Boom, shakalaka. So let's go through here and let's get to adding this. Like, look, before, after. I didn't even put a dimming brush on it, but I am, so it can not be so tangled. But look at that. It should be called because it's bomb. Okay, so now it is fully in on this side too. Just have to wait for this side to dry. So it's gonna take a little bit to dry, but this is the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. So unruly curls and coils, meet your match. Yes, Aunt Jackie. Curl La La delivers long-lasting curl control and definition to curls, waves, coils, frizzy hair, and braid outs. This moisture rich and blended with natural ingredients for healthier looking hair. They were not lying. What is in here? I want to know what's in here. Let's see. Let's look at the ingredients. It's sulfate free, paraben free, no mineral oil, no petroleum. So that's good. Enriched with shea butter and olive oil. Nice. Look at that. $6. $6. I'm really shook. I really love this product. I love it. Best wash and go ever. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. You should definitely go and get you some Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. It's only like $6.97. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you want to see next. What product, what natural hair product would you like me to try and tell you if it is a smash or pass? Bye-bye.